It's match time. Martin Tyler here and Alan Smith with you as always to describe it. And we're looking forward to something special today, eh?
Well, I think so, Martin. I hope these two teams won't disappoint us.
Paris Saint-Germain today involved in our match against San Jose Earthquakes. Paris Saint-Germain, this is their lineup. In goal, Kevin Trapp. Thiago Silva plays with Marquinhos in central defence. Marco Verratti plays with Thiago Motta in central midfield. Edinson Cavani is the main striker today. Deflected behind, a clear corner. Di Maria played it in. Cleared away, well away from goal. Verratti, he's tried that from long range. Brave to take that on, Alan, he wasn't far away.
He's got a history of finding the back of the net from these distances.
Well, he's hit that really well, but not quite on target.
Yeah, almost caught the goalkeeper by surprise as well.
Just read the intentions of the opposition there to make the interception. Past his man there. And here they are, on the attack. And shoots! Well, nowhere near.
No, he's miscued that one. Miscued it badly.
Leiva Kurzawa. Neymar. Got to be. Well, what a start to the game that would have been for them, Alan. The first goal coming so early, but not quite.
Well, he's kicking himself. He can't believe he's missed from so close in too.
Attacking well here. Neymar. Referee helped them here because now they can cross the ball. Neymar! Well, they've broken through here with a really good goal. And the celebrations reflect that. The supporters are going crazy. It's a terrific moment for the team. Goalkeeper almost got there, but it wasn't a strong enough touch.
Yeah, he's annoyed with himself, isn't he? Having got a touch on it, feels he should have done better.
Paris Saint-Germain in front. There's a dangerous feel to this attack. It's look. Now the shot. Corner coming up. He's put in the corner. Very good distance to the clearance. In with a chance. And that's no problem at all for trapping goal. There's some potential in this move. Here's Marquinhos. Edinson Cavani. Rabiot. And he shoots from long range. Angel Di Maria is the target for the cross. Break quickly when they get possession. I think the wide man's got a chance here. There's space out near the touchline. And that's broken up by the defender before the cross could come in. Cavani. Cavani showing good vision here. Cavani. Two in front now.
Well, keep the concentration and they've won this match, I think.
He's an impetuous goalkeeper, this one, and it's cost him here.
Well, he did go AWOL, but the scorer was Johnny on the spot to make him pay. Good finish.
Just widen the margin here to 2-0. Here's a chance to attack. And the referee spotted that deflection. He's pointed for the corner. Well, here comes the corner. Good defensive clearance there. Good forward play from them. Chance for the cross. Looking for teammates in the middle. And the goalkeeper, it's his ball. And there is some backup for him in this position. Paris Saint-Germain given the throw. Neymar. Cross from Neymar. There's still danger here after this half clearance. Excellent work with the tackle. Wondolowski can really get at the opposition here. Well, they look promising there in that wide area, but the defender's done well. Barati. Probing the pass. Cavani. Well, he works for the team, but he needs to have that selfish streak in front of goal. Single-mindedness, you might call it. Edinson Cavani gets one for himself. Well, scoring in any game is worthy of celebration. When you get two, it is special. And he is feeling that special delight at the moment. I don't think we expected this, such a one-sided affair, but look at the scoreline. Salinas. Here's Motta. Now here's a chance to get at the opposition. Well, they're getting set for the corner. It's a clever corner designed to set up a volley. Challenges for the ball. And it's going to be a minimum of 3 minutes to be played of added time. Angel Di Maria threads it through. Needs to stay cool now. Goalkeeper can only parry it out. Laiva Kurzawa. Thiago Motta. The shot's on! And they blocked it then. And the referee has signalled for half-time. 3-0 is the scoreline at this point. And your view on Edinson Cavani after the first half?
On top of his game out there, and I'm sure he'll be thinking about grabbing his hat-trick in the second half.
Well, we wonder if the second half's going to be like the first, one-sided. Cleverly done. Cavani in the clear. Cavani! He's tried to hit this one too hard, Alan, hasn't he?
Oh, I think he shanked it, Martin. Miles off target in the end.
He'll be disappointed with the way he's given the ball away. Paris Saint-Germain smoothly through the gears here into an attacking position. Angel Di Maria in behind the defenders. Cavani, magnificent from the goalkeeper.
Well, it's all about positioning and spreading his body. Top-class keeping.
Well, the goalkeeper takes charge here from the corner. Well, they're in a good position here. Shot on! Well, they've kept their foot on the accelerator, haven't they? Because they are increasing their lead. Well, they call it his weaker side. Not too weak, that.
Didn't look that way, did it, Martin? He took a little chance there, and he's really been rewarded for it.
One team really on their game today, the other very off colour. Return pass. Throw in for Paris Saint-Germain. Verratti. Good work, really, to read the intention of the pass. It's looking good, this move. Shots on here. Good stretch by the goalkeeper to push that away from danger. I think he saw the look from the other player. And now the shot! Good block. Anticipated the direction of the pass and was able to intervene. Well, I like the look of this attack. Strong play by Paris Saint-Germain to win the ball back. Cavani. Return pass. And shoots! Here's a chance, goalkeeper exposed. And he's used his head there to keep his side in possession. Verratti. And a goal!
Well, he's not far out, but you've got to be on your toes in these circumstances, and he was.
They are playing well. Their superiority increased really with this goal.
Well, you can only see more goals coming their way, the way they're played.
I don't think we expected this, such a one-sided affair, but look at the scoreline. Wondolowski. On the attack here. Verratti. Clever ball. It's Cavani. Cavani! That is a fantastic goal. It's his third goal. It's a hat-trick today. He's really been on form. Well, there is a saying that things come in threes. They've come in threes for him, a hat-trick.
Not just 3 goals, but he's played really well. His overall game has been top class today.
I have to say, it's so one-sided today, but all credit to the team that are racking up the goals. Played forward, a bit of menace in this attack. He could cross it from here. Now it's a corner. He's put in the corner, really commanding goalkeeper, and that's easy for a player of his ability to catch the corner. That's a foul, free kick. And this will be 2 changes at 1 go for the manager. A chance to break away now on the counter. This could be a chance. Good defensive clearance there. Danny Houston. That would have been a foul, but the referee lets the game go on. Good advantage. They've got numbers in this attack, and it looks dangerous. Verratti. Just read the intentions of the opposition there to make the interception. Cross driven in low, neatly intercepted. Neymar. This has been called a football match, but it hasn't been much of a match-up between the two sides. The winners conclusively at their best, and the losers just aching to hear the final whistle now. Wondolowski. Now this looks promising. Able to cut that out with some sharp movement. Danny Houston stopped emphatically and just as well. The approach play looked very encouraging. Now crafting the through pass. And then on goal, Di Maria. Di Maria, splendid goal here.
Well, he's point-blank range, but you've got to be there to score. You've got to be there to miss it as well, but he didn't.
Well, this is rubbing salt in some pretty gaping wounds here.
Well, they just won't let up, will they? They're going to go to the final whistle.
There's no doubt that the scoreline reflects realistically the nature of the game. There's nothing false about it. They've thoroughly deserved to be so far ahead. Nothing so far in this game to surprise us. Perhaps only the margin that they lead by.
Yeah, it's not always easy coming into a game and everyone's expecting you to get a hatful, but they've kept their focus this side and taken the chances nicely when they've cropped up.
It could be a chance. Looked in control, anything but. What a miss.
Yeah, he looked so composed, and then to do that, his teammates won't let him forget that.
And it's come to an end now as the referee blows the whistle for the last time. Referee helped them